Introducing Oasis TEARS PF preservative-free lubricating eye drops in a bottle.
Staring at a computer for 8 hours a day can really tire out my eyes. Between the burning and the grittiness, even the most basic tasks can be difficult. And then I learned about Oasis TEARS PF.
To use, twist off cap and gently squeeze bottle to instill 1 or 2 drops for the relief of dry eye symptoms as directed by your eye care professional. Oasis TEARS PF lubricating eye drops proprietary formulation soothes, lubricates, and relieves burning, dryness, watering, and other symptoms related to dry eye. Oasis TEARS dry eye relief products are available through your eye care professional. Ask your doctor about which Oasis TEARS is right for your symptoms. OASIS Medical, where your eyes matter.